Functions of Golgi complex. Golgi complex is the secretory organ of the cell. It modifies, sorts and packs materials synthesized in the cell, enzymes, mucus, proteins, pigments, etc. and dispatches them to various targets like plasma membrane, lysosome, etc. It produces vacuoles and secretory vesicles. Now, next. Fourth, it helps in the formation of the cell wall, plasma membrane and lysosomes. Introduction to scientist. Camillo Golgi described the Golgi complex for the first time. He developed the staining technique called black reaction, and with the help of it, he studied nervous system. He won the Nobel Prize of 1906 along with Santiago Cajal for the study of structure of nervous system. Lysosomes. Can you tell what happens to the agricultural waste after a few days when it is dumped in a compost pit? Once agricultural waste is dumped into a compost bin, the microbes in the bin starts degrading this waste and breaking down the complex substance into simpler form. The simple nutrients and minerals obtained can be used to replenish the soil and recycle these components back to nature. In eukaryotic cells, lysosomes have a similar function of degrading worn out organelles and organic debris or waste by cellular digestion using digestive enzymes present in it. Due to various metabolic activities in the cell, organic waste is generated. Lysosomes digest the waste. Lysosomes are simple single membrane bound sacs filled with digestive enzymes. Functions of lysosome. First, immune system. It destroys viruses and bacteria that attack the cell. Demolition squares. It destroys worn out cellular organelles and organic debris. Autolysis. Suicide bags. When a cell becomes old or is damaged, lysosomes burst and enzymes digest their own cells. During starvation, lysosomes digest stored proteins, fats. Now we will see mitochondria. Can you tell which type of energy is required to run the fans, computers and electric bulbs? Where is this energy produced? Electrical energy is used to run fans, computers and electric bulbs. Second, electricity is most often generated at a power station by electromechanical generators. In living organisms, the mitochondria acts as the powerhouse of the cells. In these organelles, adenosine triphosphate, that is ATP, an energy-rich molecule is generated by cellular respiration. See, this is adenosine triphosphate. Each cell requires energy and this energy is produced in the mitochondria. Under the electron microscope, a mitochondrion is seen as a double membrane structure. The outer membrane is porous and the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds are called cristae. The inner cavity is filled with proteinous gel like matrix containing ribosomes, phosphate, granules and DNA. Therefore, it can produce its own proteins. With the help of enzymes, mitochondria oxidize carbohydrates and fats in the cell. The energy released in this process is stored in the mitochondria in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Plant cells have less mitochondria than animal cells. Functions of mitochondria. First, to produce energy-rich compound ATP. Second, synthesis of proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, etc. by using the energy in ATP. Do you know mitochondria are absent in RBCs due to this? The oxygen which is carried by them is not useful for themselves. Use your brain power. What is the benefit of foldings of inner membrane in mitochondria? More area enables more work to be done. This is the same with cell surface. Second, folding of the inner membrane of the mitochondria increases the surface area. Since the inner membrane of the mitochondria is the site where many chemical reactions take place, an increase in space provides more surface area for this reaction to occur.